Right now, somewhere inside an Apple warehouse, there's a brand new Apple TV that's completely built, fully tested, and ready to hit store shelves. The surprising part? It has reportedly been sitting there for nearly 2 years. Not because Apple couldn't finish the hardware, but because the company is waiting for one feature before launching it. That feature is the next generation Siri, and according to multiple reports, it has become the biggest reason Apple's most overdue entertainment device still hasn't arrived. The current Apple TV hasn't received a major hardware refresh since 2022. It still looks the same, uses a processor that originally powered an iPhone from several years ago, and has remained almost unchanged while the rest of Apple's lineup has moved forward. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, the new hardware is essentially complete. Apple is simply holding it back until its upgraded AI-powered Siri is ready for prime time. That's an unusual move for a company that normally launches hardware first and improves software over time. So what makes the new Apple TV worth the wait? The biggest upgrade is expected to be its processor. Instead of relying on an older chip, the next model could use the same chip family found in the iPhone 15 Pro. That would deliver a huge leap in performance, allowing smoother gameplay, better graphics, faster navigation, and enough power to handle Apple's latest AI features. For the first time, Apple TV could feel much closer to a true gaming console than just another streaming device. Wireless performance is also expected to improve. Apple is reportedly introducing its own custom-designed Wi-Fi chip with support for the latest wireless standards, providing faster speeds, lower latency, and more reliable streaming. Whether you're watching 4K HDR movies, cloud gaming, or downloading large apps, the experience should feel noticeably smoother. Another small but incredibly practical upgrade could arrive with the Siri remote. Rumors suggest Apple may finally add ultra-wideband tracking technology, similar to what's inside AirTags. That means if your remote disappears between couch cushions or under the sofa, you'll be able to locate it in seconds instead of spending half an hour searching for it. One detail that has surprised many Apple fans is pricing. Apple recently increased the price of the current Apple TV in several markets. While many assumed this was simply clearing inventory before the next generation, industry reports point toward rising memory and component costs. If that's true, the upcoming Apple TV, with a faster processor, more memory, and upgraded wireless hardware, is unlikely to be cheaper than the current model. Don't expect a dramatic redesign, though. Apple appears to be keeping the same compact black box that easily blends into any entertainment setup. Unlike the iPhone or Apple Watch, the Apple TV has never been about changing its appearance. Instead, Apple focuses on making what's inside significantly more powerful while keeping the familiar design people already know. As for the release date, everything seems to depend on Siri. Apple's major software update is expected to introduce a much smarter AI-powered version of its voice assistant, and several reports suggest the new Apple TV is being saved for that launch. If everything stays on schedule, it could debut alongside the next iPhone lineup this September. If Siri needs more time, however, the launch could slip closer to the holiday season. After waiting for years, Apple is betting that a smarter Siri will make this Apple TV feel like a much bigger upgrade than simply releasing faster hardware. If the new AI assistant performs as promised, this could become one of the most significant Apple TV updates in recent memory. But if Siri still struggles with everyday tasks, many people will wonder whether Apple should have released the hardware earlier and improved the software through future updates. Now the question is yours. Would you rather keep waiting for a truly smarter Siri? Or do you think Apple should launch the new Apple TV now and update Siri later? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest Apple news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.